Hello everybody, today we have Mother's Day unboxing, which I am well aware Mother Day has already passed, but I'm also notoriously late for everything in life. So today we get to talk about Mother's Day. So this has already been opened and I am obsessed with it. Be honest with you, when I saw the box I was like, oh, they're shoes, they're sneakers, who knows, but they're neither of those things. It is a bag. It is not a quarter bag, but it is a bag that I knew since last year that it was coming in 2026. And I really wanted this bag, and she is here now. I have one other model from this type of bag, and she's actually a blue box version. So the box from the other one is square, and obviously this is rectangular. So let's get to it. This is, it's a Bolide bag. It's a mini Bolide bag. So she is tiny. And the color is literally divine. Let me put this away. Here she is. So my other mini Bolide is quite different from this one. I'll show it to you guys at the end. This one is in Doré. The color Doré, which I absolutely love for this style of bag because it dresses her up so much. And one of the things I love about Doré is that the hardware, which is going to be very hard to see, the hardware is actually in permabras as well. So it is just so pretty. And look at her size. She is just, I love her. This bag, I absolutely love. I actually use my mini Bolide more than the mini Kellys because they just fit more. They're easier to get stuff in and out. And I personally love the shape. Fun fact, I used to not like the mini Bolide because I felt like it copied the Alma. But then I realized it's the other way around. Mini Bolide actually came before the Louis Vuitton Alma, so I prefer the Bolide over the Louis Vuitton Alma. Go figure. Anyway, let's open her out and get the strap out. I love this bag. I use these bags for day and night, and this color literally makes this bag the perfect bag to transition from day to night. And look, she has this. It's not really a pillow. It's just stuff folded in together. But she has her little strap, which I don't know if I want to put on yet, because that means I have to remove the plastic. And I don't want to remove the plastic yet, but look. I love her. I absolutely love this bag. It comes in multiple types of leather, from exotics to Epsom. I think it also comes in Evercolor, maybe Swift. This one is in Chef, which is literally my all-time favorite Hermes leather because it has such a beautiful sheen to it. And it's also very lightweight. You don't have to worry about it in the rain, even though I try not to take my bags out when it's pouring rain. But a couple of drops is not going to do anything. And look at that shine. It's just... like, where are we going tonight? Are we going somewhere where I can just take this bag as my cute little top handle, or am I going to be casual where I can just wear a crossbody with a strap? And guys, this is why I like the mini Bolide more than the mini Kelly, because it's so easy to fit stuff. It fits your phone, and it's just, it's easy. The mini Kellys, I get it. We all love them. They're cute, but they're such a pain to use. This one is not. Okay, so this is the other mini Bolide that I have. This was just for the 100-year anniversary of the mini Bolide, and it has this beautiful hand-painted leather patches on both sides. I actually have a YouTube video about this bag, and I'll put the link at the bottom so you guys can see it if you guys want to. But now I have my black mini Bolide and my gold mini Bolide, and I love them. This one now looks very, very casual compared to this one, although I've used this one for the night as well. But do you see what I mean? Do you see why I feel like this in Doré is such a killer bag? And I highly recommend you guys literally considering the mini Bolide because honestly, it's a great bag. Perfect for day and night. It's very subtle. It doesn't scream Hermes. It's one of those, if you know, you know. And she is a classic. And another fun fact about the Bolide. Did you know the Bolide was the first handbag ever to use a zipper in its construction? So see, so many reasons to love this bag, but... and I got two, and I love her. I absolutely love her. And on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in my next one. Adios.